Hi. So in this video, it's going to be super easy. I'm going to show you guys how to do a marble design. So I am just going in with a few different polishes. Make sure the polishes go together real bad. Make sure the nail polishes look good together. Uh, Color theory, all that good stuff. But here I am just setting out my first color that I'm going to use. This is obviously going to be a blue marble. I like to use at least two different shades of one color. And then I do like using a white or a neutral color just to add in a pop between when I mix it all together. You'll see. But yeah, you just pick out your colors and set them all on. You can use a polish palette, whatever this is called, or you can do what I used to do, just put it on some plastic like a Ziploc bag, some tape even, just something that you can mix your polishes in that it's not gonna like seep into like a piece of paper or something like that. So yeah, I'm just putting in my polishes all in a row, and I actually didn't like that one. So make sure your colors look good together. If they don't look good together, figure it out. Okay, so here I am figuring it out. That color did not look good with the color scheme. So I changed it. So now you can use a blooming gel, but to save money, I just use a simple base gel. It does the same exact thing. I'm just putting on a base gel, and I am not going to cure this, okay? And now I'm going to take a little orange wood stick and mix them all together. This is how I do it. I don't know how you want to do it. I recommend doing it like this. There's no reason. This is just how I've seen everyone else do it. I've never done it a different kind of way. So this gets you a good marble. And then you just pick it up with the other side of that orange wood stick. And on your uncured base gel, you just add in the polish. And it'll disperse in a beautiful pattern, and then cure it. And that is it. That's it. Pick your colors, swirl them together, put down a base coat, pick the swirled colors up with the back of your tool or whatever you're using, and then put it onto the nail. Very easy. It's so easy, and the design is so, so beautiful. Everybody will love it. And it's so easy. And this is the finished design that I have, and I'm doing the same exact thing in a pink color scheme. So I'm just going to let you guys watch how I do that. And again, it's so, so easy, but so, so beautiful. And here is the finished marble look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.